it says Ames real big.
Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into this video. In this video I spent an evening up at Highland Crossing with my friend Chad of Historic BF. We happened to catch a couple of Union Pacific engines on a couple of trains, a tanker train for one that had 2 UP units on it, and another train that had a UP unit on it. I believe it was a stack train. But the star of the night was 91X. It was a ballast train. They even had the spreaders or the cranes on it or whatever they are called. I don't know off the top of my head. But it was a rare catch, and it was, well, how can I say it? It was gold to catch it. So it was a lot of fun getting that, NS91X. And as a matter of fact, I was just out in Altoona for this past weekend, and 91X came through there. However, I didn't get a chance to film it when it went through. So, anyway, a very cool catch nevertheless, and I hope you enjoy watching that. So with that said, I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the video. Oh, after 91X goes by, the second train that has the 2 Union Pacific engines on it, that train had a female engineer on it, which was pretty cool because you don't see too many of them. Reason we know it was a female engineer was activity on the radio. We heard her talking to the female dispatcher at Conway, so that was pretty cool. So good for them. Anyway, I know not too many women do that kind of job, so that was nice to hear on the radio. So kudos to you for doing what you do. I know I don't have the heart to be an engineer or conductor anyway, based on the grueling work schedule or lack thereof being on call. Anyway, I'm blabbering on. Enjoy the video. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you noticed it was a little bit brighter in this video, it's because I got these Defiant lights from Home Depot, a 2-pack of lights for $12 on clearance. They're 2,000 lumens each, and they really light up everything at night, at least on a full charge anyway. Not bad. It makes rail fanning at night a whole new thing now. So, with that said, I look forward to doing this more often and catching trains at night with better lighting now if it's really dark where I'm at. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you would like to. And with that said, I'm going to take off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care and stay awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.